Hi, I'm Joyce Steindler with Energy Health Clinic, and this is Megan St. Marie, the creator of Sacred Soul Cards and a coach with Energy Health Clinic.
Hi, everybody. All right, I'm excited because Joyce and I are co-facilitating a class called Release the Fear, Tap into Courage. We are going to be basing the beginning of it on some of my soul cards and use that as a jumping off point. We're going to be doing some meditation at the end of it, but from the cards, we'll jump into EFT, which is also known as tapping. So if you've ever been interested in tapping, come join us and you'll know about it. We can also, you'll be tapping through your own stuff if you want to work on things in the class. It'll be 45 minutes to an hour for the next 4 Wednesdays. It's free. Bring your lunch, chill with us, have fun. Yeah, click the link below and let's do it. And if for some reason the link isn't showing up, you can reach us at energyhealthclinic.com and you're more than welcome to sign up there. All right. See you guys soon.
Thank you.